Okay, so I've just started to kickstart using the Fedora 35 media, and when the kickstart is running, you can see that the host name is set correctly. If I do, let's look up this host, host242.tc.com, so that's my internal network. It's .242, so if I do hostname -I, it's .242, so that stuff all works. Once it gets done, it's going to do the installation of the Dray kit for the initial RAM disk and all that kind of good stuff. It's going to do the post install stuff just because I set some SSH keys so I can SSH into my virtual machines. But we keep it super simple. So it's just doing the installation. I don't see any of the Dray kit stuff going on yet. Okay, yeah, so it's creating the initial RAM FS. So there we go, there's the Dray kit stuff. But my point is, it's getting its host name from reverse DNS. It works just fine. And it does the post installation script where it creates the SSH keys for the root account, or the authorized keys file, I should say. And after a second, it should reboot. Yeah, and I'm setting up the IP table service because this machine I'm doing some firewalling with. But it does the post installation scripts. It does the it should reboot, and when it reboots, the first time it should have the host name set correctly as host242.tc.camerontech.com. So it's booting up. All right, except look, it says Fedora. So if I log in as root, but then it says that the host name is set correctly. So the host name is set correctly. Or actually, host name control shows that it's host 242, blah, blah, blah. If I reboot, though, it comes out and it says that it's Fedora. And now the host name is set to Fedora. Why? Why is it doing this? This is wrong. This is not what it should be doing. It should be getting the host name from its IP address, but instead it's using it as just Fedora. That's wrong.